putting in some winter fuzzies, which is a big pain in the ass, and always try to get someone else to do it instead of you, because what a pain. Some guys just glue these things in. On these quarter glasses, I actually put a couple of tiny screws in here and just worm it in there tight. And that'll keep it from flopping down. I think I'll put one more back up in here somewhere, like right in that area. Get it shaped right. I've already done the other side. It's in pretty good shape. One regulation winter fuzzy. I've got to put this inner lip in here, which means I need to nip anything that's sticking out. I've got a few other pieces from the old stuff. If you'll notice, I drilled screw holes right there, just in some random places to hold that all lined up. Now this is a Bel Air car, post car, so it's got a piece of trim that stainless that wraps over the edge here, and it originally fastened to it, and I don't want to take this piece off. It's really good shape, and I do not want to scratch it or ruin it, so I'm going to just pre-drill my holes and put it on with a few screws. They use staples and screws on it from the factory, but I'll just put in some new of my own screws and it'll be wonderful. CTR. Put a little bit more kink on them ends there. Get it fitting right. that, that's getting pretty close right there. Lost my screwdriver now. Imagine that, right? Now, this chrome piece here, this stainless, if you get to looking, there's some notches in the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see them or not. See the notches right there where it's stapled before? The metal backing for this part of the metal, it's not there. There's a cutout behind every one of those, and that's where I'm trying to aim for. I can feel them with my thumb, so I'll drill in the right spot, like right there. That way I only have to attach it to the stainless. I don't have to attach it to the body metal as well. So if I ever do need to remove that piece of chrome, then I can take it off without taking the screws out of it. I don't have to take the window fuzzy loose. Yeah, pull up there tight. That wonderful. There's another one right there I can see. I bet I get my thumb up in there and push it in place. There. This is one of those jobs I absolutely detest. I always end up with cut fingers. Look like I've been in a fight with a razor blade. But it sure does make a nice end to the job. That's in my way. Helps if you got little fingers. I do not have little fingers. This is that Repops window channel, Fuzzies. And it's not too bad a product. I'm kind of pleased with it. My first experience with this product left a little something to be desired. When they put the window channels in the box for her car, one of the window holes parts was damaged. It had been kinked in the wrong spot. It was a bad deal. I hit it as best I could. That was not optimal, but they've got a phone number on there, and I just have never had time to call them to get a replacement one. But the directions in the box say they'll be more than happy to try and help us any way we can. And that one's on. Get her cranked back in there below the fuzz. Shouldn't be any scratches or worries. Here in just a second, we'll click back on and I'll show you how to do the inner window garnishments. Here, go set that other one up, bub. See what it looks like over there.
I believe it goes something like that.
You gotta tuck it in front of the window ledge there.
Like
Yeah,
that.
like that. Pull it down, kind of manhandle it. There you getting there. That's gonna be pretty, ain't it? Alright, that's enough dinking around. This one fits real good. See, your headliner's above that, and there's your tack strip right there. It's gonna be pretty. We gotta get our headliner in so we can get all this crap attached. And I'm hot. It's like 90 out here, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
In September.
88, but 100% humidity.
Yeah, I just said, and this is September. What the hell? I think somebody's jacking with us. So, you've learned how to put window fuzzies in. You've seen how to attach your window channels in an environment that's maybe not as easy to attach it as you can. You can use various types of glue and just roll them up. But we've done put our new windows in here. Look like I need to clean a little glue off right there. My fingerprints, DNA. But I've got to straighten this mess up. I ain't quite got it where it goes yet either. they're just sitting in there. I haven't glued any of these or attached them, but they're in the hole. Gotta protect them glasses so they don't hurt nothing, scratch nothing. Don't worry, we're gonna put new black and white Delray on the doors. The quarters and the seats are made, and this pretty black carpet we started putting in. It'll be wonderful. And a white headliner. Sharp. Sharp. Let's take one and see how that front lines up. Carpet scooted back over where it goes. Just like that. Pretty. I'll probably cut some of that off. It's tailed out pretty long if you notice. This is Jack and Lithium program here. Put it in like that. Let's see if I can't lay it down there. I still got to put my sill plate inner pieces on that cover the wiring harness and stuff down the other side. I don't know what they put one over here for, but that's about how it's going to lay. Pretty. Body by Fisher. CTR, I'm out. Hey. What thread does that screw? Does it look like that rough one? Those are not the right screws. It's not what you took out of there. Those are fine thread.
Sort of.
Buying books, and they just eat the covers off of them instead of reading. Nope. I'm gonna do this because I don't want you scuffing my brand new paint. If I slip off, it better be me that does it. You don't want that kind of butt chewing.
No.
Put them one of them monster types says auto meter on it. There's this one auto gauge.
Auto gauge.
Auto gauge. I bought the cheap one, I guess. This piece goes in here like so.
Yeah. Now, got the ratchets around here. And seem to be missing.
That's about right. And I gotta start my wires through. Hook them down through that hole, not the light. Not the light. Pull it on through.
I gotta
It's
find the
right
hole.
here.
Oh, there it is. It was behind your head.
high speed shift them like.
Yeah.
Tighten them bolts.
I believe it'd be this right here. Keep sucking it down. Keep coming. Oh yeah, I forgot it's two separate deals.
The other side of the car. Take this out of here, boy. Drag that hose out of there, boy. Nothing.
Is this where I make extremely obnoxiously loud car noises? I'm not going to. I might break the microphone on the camera.
That's what we're looking for. There's your view. That's just what we want to see right there. That's what I look at right there. Ain't a bad way to go.